Hello, everybody. Dr. Patugi again. W- Hope all of you are fine, doing great, and enjoying the course. So, I'm going to give you a quick introduction about the topics of this week, which are, of course, a continuation of what we've said so far about encryption algorithms. So, in this week, we will be talking about DES data encryption standard in detail, and you'll see different rounds of data encryption algorithm. I talk about details of everything. This is the only encryption and standard that I go into the details to a very big deal because I want you because of two reasons. First off, this is one of the simplest for these reasons. So encryption standards are mostly kind of complex. So, but this one is, I would say, okay, it's fine. We can go to details. That's number one, basically the easiest commercial one that we can talk about. And second, this is the one that you can implement on some code or something. Although you can do others as well, but this is again the code would be easy. So because of that, we go through details and many other algorithms. Another reason might be this that many other algorithms exist out there. They have similarities or they have components inherited from DES encryption standard or data encryption standards. Because of that, it's good to know the details of at least one DES. And of course, for the rest of them, like AES, RSA that I talked, I don't go this level of details. I don't expose you to this level of details, but it's good to know at least one. So this is number one item that we cover in this week, data encryption standard, and you'll see a number of slides here talking about every step of that, how, for example, the expansion debug stage work, how the substitution stage or box work, and all details are here. You'll see them. Another thing that you see, we talk about triple DES or 3DES, which is sorry about the noise. Yeah, that's another thing that you'll see the data encryption standard. I'm sorry, triple DES, which is cascade of three times cascade of DES encryption. We'll talk about it. And also we talk about, after that, we talk about AES, which is another encryption standard. And like I said, it's not going to be that level of details. And then here is the kind of the time that we finish with the symmetric encryption. I'm not going to talk about any more symmetric encryption standard algorithm. These three basically, DES, triple DES, and AES should be enough. After that, we start talking about something which is called encryption mode. Here, starting from this slide or maybe a slide before, we start talking about encryption mode, which is a very, very important thing. And it says that you might have a very good encryption algorithm, but I may basically apply it on my data in a bad or let's say wrong way, so that at the end of the day, my data is in fact not encrypted. For example, here I have this example. I talk about this example in the slides. This is the original data. After encrypting it using AES under one of the encryption mode, you'll get this, which is easily distinguishable from this. So basically, there is no encryption here. Or the same thing here, which says that AES under that mode is not a good thing. So we'll talk about this. And the number of modes, there are a number of encryption modes. Uh, we'll talk about all of them, and we analyze them, what are the pros and cons of each. So these are the things that we will be doing in this week and the week after, and probably we after that we'll done with this lecture. Yeah, another thing that I wanted to share is about the research projects that they'll be out this week, and you're supposed to take a research project and create your team and register them this week. This is gonna happen this week. So like always, if there is any question, please feel free to send me question, email me, or ask your question. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you and have a great, enjoy this week. Basically, you're gonna start it.